two, one. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dollar to a million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. It's a new day, days been new. Been a decade since I made it out of rent too. We some owners, baby, we don't got no rent due.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, it is officially graduation season, and with that being said, now is the time to start gathering all the things you need for your Insta-worthy graduation celebration. So whether you or your loved one is graduating from preschool, high school, middle school, college, medical school, or anything in between, it is worthy of celebrating. So I have pulled together a list of my top 10 must-haves from Amazon. So this list will include everything that you need to have for your upcoming graduation celebration. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, so let's hop right in. Okay, so first things first. One of the first things you're going to need for your celebration is a gorgeous backdrop. And I absolutely love these shimmer walls from Amazon. I love the fact that you can just kind of snap them together. All you need is a pack of 1 to create a backdrop wall that is 6 feet tall, 4 feet wide. Add some balloons around it and it will be absolutely beautiful. Next up, you're going to need some amazing centerpieces. I absolutely love these candlesticks. I love these candelabras. These are some of my favorite centerpieces that you can grab on Amazon. You can tie some ribbon around the candlesticks, you know, for the whole bow trend that is going on currently. Or if you're celebrating for a boy, you could take these candlesticks and just add candles for a very romantic, moody, and dramatic effect. Here are some of my other favorite centerpieces from Amazon as well. Next up, you're going to need some great linens. Now, you guys, your linens will definitely tell if it's like an upscale party or more of a fun and frilly party. So here's some of my favorite linen choices from Amazon. If you're going to be doing an outdoor party, I highly recommend these stretch linens, as they will stay tapered to your table if the wind blows or if any of, thing like that happens. These are definitely made to fit to your table. So definitely check out these and some of my favorite other ones as well. Another thing you're going to need is, of course, a photo booth. You need just something to be able to captivate that, those beautiful memories that you're going to be creating with you and your family. So here are my favorite, props and things like that you can use for your graduation party. And I think it just, grab your cell phone, use some iPhone, cell phone, camera tricks, and just grab those candid moments that will last you forever. Of course, you're going to need some good food. So I absolutely love these buffet displays. You can do something as simple as a dessert display. I've been really seeing the dessert trends happening here lately. You can do something really inexpensive like a taco bar or a potato bar. I mean, there are so many different possibilities for your menu, but no matter what you're going to be eating, if you display it well, I mean, people will receive it well. And so sometimes it's all about the presentation, and these buffet risers definitely fit the bill. Now, I found these, like, I was searching the website just to see, like, price compare, and these went upwards to like $1,300 versus the 50-something dollars that you can find here on Amazon. So I will link that down below as well. Another thing that you're going to need is a cap and gown, of course. Now, I'm not sure if, you know, at your school or at your university, if you're able to purchase your own cap and gown, or if it's like a fee that you have to pay. At either rate, if it's something that you can save on, I have definitely found a solution for you. This is also great for someone that may have like a daycare or pre-K, and you order these graduation cap and gowns for your school. This is definitely a great option. And so I found the cap, the tassel, and the gown for under $30 here on Amazon. So I'm going to share it with you. Another great option for this is for you to also be able to use it for like senior pictures. So if you don't want to wait until the official senior pictures, you can go ahead and order this set on Amazon. And during the summer, while everyone else is just going through the hustle and bustle of the summer, you can go ahead and have your formal and your informal senior photos taken. And last but certainly not least, the last thing that I would recommend for graduation celebrations here on Amazon is a graduation kit. These kits typically include everything from your door displays to banners to balloons to the shimmer fringe walls to just so many different things. And I love to get these graduation kits so that I can break them apart and just kind of use them sporadically throughout my event or throughout my home. I love breaking them up. Sometimes I may use one portion of them at one party, another portion at another party, but I love just getting, you know, foundational pieces and then taking this graduation kit and mixing these the elements of the kits in with my foundational pieces, like the shimmer wall backdrop or a spandex stretch backdrop or a really nice pipe and drape stand or your beautiful, you know, faux china. Just taking elements of these pieces and adding them in will just definitely give that wow factor to your party or your event. And last but certainly not least, you're going to need a favor. I am in love with these capping, like this graduation cap favor. Super easy to put together. On the inside of it, you can add in candy or a special little treat, whatever you want to have down inside of it. But I got 100 of these on Amazon, and the price was just amazing. So I'm going to link these down below as well. Hey you guys, so let me know what I may have missed down in the comments below. Let me know, you know, whatever tips you're going to be implementing for your graduation celebration. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm going to be sharing some budget-friendly centerpieces for graduation. I'm going to be sharing boy graduation party ideas, girl graduation party ideas, nursing school graduation party ideas, and everything in between. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and I will see you at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!